2, 1.
What's up, YouTube? Stonebraker does stuff here, and this is going to be a super quick video. I don't know if you can hear it. Hopefully you can't with the microphone, but it is a super windy day. I just got off work. A weird day, actually. It's been rainy, gray skies like you see, and then out of nowhere you will get some sunshine. So sorry about that. What I'm doing today is I got my new seat on the Cloud 9, which is what I'm right now on the Vitalin U7. For some reason I can never remember the name, but I did get the new Cloud 9 seat. I've also, due to me not knowing how to change the bracket, not only did I buy a Cloud 9 seat, but I bought a Zoom seat post. So those came in, and this is the first time kind of testing it out. I put it on yesterday, last night after work, and it just kept, like, I've never had a Zoom seat post. I've had seat posts that have, you know, the shock on it, but not one of these Zoom ones. So I had to mess with the seat to figure the perfect height, because of course you sit on it and it's gonna go down a little bit. And I keep feeling like I'm sliding off of the seat. I don't know if it is because it's a new seat and I'm not used to it, but yeah, so I keep feeling like my two cheeks are gonna slide off. So I don't know if I need to adjust this a little bit, or it kind of seems like the seat, instead of being like this, it kind of is like this. And I don't necessarily think it's anything I did. I think it's just how the seat post is. But yeah, I definitely kind of feel like my cheeks are kind of sliding off. I feel like I'm gonna fall off of it. Granted, I'm sure I'm not going to. I'm sure it's just probably because it's a new seat and a new bike and I gotta break it in. But as soon as I get home, I will mess with it a little bit just to see, because now that really super annoys me. But anyways, yeah, it's crappy out. Rainy, then sunny, and chilly and windy like it is right now. So I'm not gonna get a big ride today. I think what we're doing right here is I need to go to the good old dollar store. So we're gonna go to the dollar store. It's gonna be a quick video, as I've already said like 15 times. But we're gonna go to the dollar store, and this is not only did I get the seat post and the seat, but I did buy, I don't know if you can see it there, but a little thing. It's supposed to be for drinks, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep my wallet in it and the keys. We will see how that ends up going. I probably won't end up keeping it, knowing myself. There's a lot of cars and stuff around me right now, so let me wait. We'll go around this way. A lot easier. And just because I don't want to look like a crazy man. Can I get around this way? Let's see. Come on, DG, pick up your mess. Look at this. Oh yeah. Awesome, okay. All right, so let me go in the store, pick up what I gotta pick up, and then I will be right back. Something, I'll figure it out, but let's go. So a big trip to the dollar store. Spent a total of $5.86 on water, Mountain Dew, and some cheap gum. So big trip. Basically, this was just an excuse to get out and test this seat. Yeah, dude, I totally feel like I'm like this, my butt. So this might be something that I'll have to look at. I don't feel like the other seat felt like this though. Might just be getting used to it, as I've said countless times, but really do feel like my butt's falling off. So figure it out. But yeah, I'll be glad when this day is done. We get those nice days, and then we get days like today where, man, it just sucks. I think the rest of the week is supposed to be pretty decent. To be honest, I'm not even entirely for sure. I saw 60s and I did see 70s as well, but I think the 70s were more like rainy days or kind of overcast like this. So definitely not 70 today, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, so when I get home, I'm not gonna do a whole lot. It's gonna definitely be a lazy night since I just got off work, but I will mess with this seat a little bit. I can't be the only one that has this bike that has swapped out the seat and, you know, feel like the seat's leaning back a little bit. And it's definitely secure in there and it's tight. I did tighten the pole a little bit, the zoom post at the bottom, because when I mentioned when I first put it on, I was trying to figure out how high to put the seat and all that stuff, and it was pretty loose to where when I sat on it, it went down a lot. It went down too much. So, oh yeah, this definitely, I feel like I'm leaning back for sure. It's to the point where it's almost, I want to put the other seat back on. But I'm probably speaking too soon. But anyways, hope you guys have a good day. I know this isn't the longest or the most exciting ride. I wanted to get a video out. I wanted to test the seat, and I had a feeling it was gonna be like this. And, you know, I wanted to test this little thing out. I think it works pretty good for what I want it for, just in case I go anywhere, somewhere to put my wallet. If it rains or something, I may have to figure something out or close that completely. I don't even think it's really on there all the way, but I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. So this will be where I put my wallet and the keys. So if you know where I live, don't come and steal this bike, okay? I will hunt you down. I will hunt you down. I'll take some toenail clippers and I'll clip your toenails. And it's gonna be very short. I'm gonna clip them very short. And if you've ever clipped your toenails too short, you know it's not enjoyable. But anyways, guys, hopefully you like this super small, super quick ride. I'm gonna mess with the seat. I'm gonna go in and enjoy my water, my one Mountain Dew and my cheap bubble gum, and do absolutely nothing the rest of the day. Weather permitting, I'll have another video later in the week. As always, thank you guys for spending your time helping me waste about 6 minutes of my time. I'll see you in the next one.